My name is Aisha Abubakar from Ghana. I got to know this hospital through one doctor in Ghana. So he gave me the number and I also contacted them. They received me very well. They were able to give me so many different options for me to choose from. And I finally chose this hospital as one of them, even though without any experience here before. But when I came, from the doctor to the nurses to everybody to the international team, we are so happy. Everything went on well, surgery is done, healing is perfect. We are now ready to